Hey guys, Trent with Unity Tactical here. Here to talk about our latest product release, GASCAP. GASCAP is a replacement tail cap for your Surefire style flashlights. It's made of impact resistant polymer and it just threads on just like that. Now, we've got a lot of questions about why we made GASCAP. GASCAP uses our new link technology, which is based on USB-C. USB-C is a NIST standard, and because it has high pin density and high power throughput, it allows us to expand our switching capability well into the future, and GASCAP is the first product that utilizes it. GASCAP includes a full clicky push button on the back as an override, and a link port, which allows you to connect your link switch into GASCAP seamlessly. The nice thing about this is that link provides near zero loss throughput for today's high power lights like this mod light. Because it's made of impact resistant polymer, it weighs nearly an ounce less than other tail caps out there. And because link comes in at an angle, it also ends up being a little bit shorter, which allows us to put a full size button on the back as well. Using link for this tail cap is the first step in our direction towards smart switching and the future of switching technologies. Currently, link is available on all of our switches, Axon, Axon SL, and Mod Button Light through Mod Light. We received a few questions from customers and would like to answer those about GASCAP. The first question is, does it charge my light? The answer is no. Unfortunately, at this time, it does not charge your light. The second question we've received is, can I plug any USB-C connector into your light? The answer is also no. While it's possible that some other connectors may fit, the only connector that is approved for GASCAP is our link connector. Another popular question we've got is, can I clock my GASCAP? Some other tail caps allow you to turn them as they're fully seated. GASCAP does not because of the way it's built. So whenever you tighten GASCAP, the port will end up wherever it ends up. The nice thing is that USB-C is reversible, and using our cage, it allows you to route the wire forward and backwards. So with the cage, you can either route the wire forward or you can route the wire backwards on your light. Once you plug a link compatible switch into GASCAP, the cage has two sides. One of them is the cable routing side and the other is just flat. So you install the cage over the cable routing side, and you can see here it routes the cable forwards, or you can route the cable backwards. While low profile cable management is one of GASCAP's many benefits, in the event of a snag on the link cable, the switch is able to withstand a pull load of more than 40 pounds when the cage is installed. GASCAP is also waterproof up to 1 meter for 30 minutes with or without the cable installed. A handful of other questions we've received is, will we make GASCAP out of metal? No, GASCAP is polymer for a reason. It's nearly an ounce lighter, it's impact resistant, and it's incredibly strong. Another question is, can I use my existing Axon, Axon SL, or Mod Button Light switch with GASCAP? Unfortunately not. This is the legacy Surefire compatible connector. It will not fit into GASCAP no matter how hard you try. So all of our switches are now available in link USB-C, and that is the only thing that's compatible with it. Another question we had is, will we make GASCAP available for other lights? And while the answer is not no, it's not at this time. Right now we only make GASCAP for Surefire compatible lights. So that includes Surefire, Mod Light, and a handful of others that use the same thread and body pattern. That's the only light that GASCAP will fit on at the moment.